Welcome to True Life Healthcare India. We have made the world's smallest artificial finger prosthesis for those who lost their fingers due to any amputations, cancer, burn or birth defect. We can make them best look by silicone cosmetic prosthesis. As you can see in this video that we are fitting the world's smallest fingertips who has got lost their fingers tip in some amputations, and he is getting his fingers back through our customized silicone prosthesis at our center. As you can see, this there is no difference between normals and artificials. So if anyone having finger amputee, that you can contact on the given numbers on the screen, and you can call us and you can have an appointment. Our service is worldwide. We can deliver you worldwide. On worldwide we are shipping it, and we can provide online services through worldwide if you have contacted with us. So call us now, and please do share this Snapchat so that you can help somebody. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please do subscribe.